welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Double Serum by Clarins right here. So if you're interested in learning more about this serum, then keep on watching. What do you guys think of my nails? They're like Valentine's Day nails slash girly nails slash I love springtime. I love this time of year because I anticipate my favorite holiday, which is Easter, and let's just keep it moving. Okay guys, so I got this serum a while ago and I've been using it. Let's just dive right into the video. I really don't know where to start. I'm gonna be applying it for you today. Right now, all I did was splash some warm water on my face and tone with the La Mer, the tonic, of course, naturally. And I'm pretty dry. I feel pretty dry right now. You could still see I have a nice glow going because, you know, my skincare routines are always pretty rigorous and, you know, wild. But I'm feeling pretty dry. So today's like the perfect day to really go in with a serum like this because it's super hydrating, borderline oily. When I first started using this serum, I was applying it with La Mer, the treatment lotion first, then this. I found that way too hydrating just right out of the gate. It's best for me, I have combination skin, to go in with this serum right out of the gate. So when you take off the lid, it's just a plastic lid like this. You have this little unit right here. Everything is plastic. It's a little cheap feeling, but I still like the way the unit is. I like that you can see the product, that it is see-through and transparent, because it's always helpful to see how much you're really using, because a lot of skincare products, most skincare products, you can't really see what you're using. I don't know if there's a reason for that. Maybe if sun is hitting it, it might dilute the product a little bit. I'm not sure, but somehow, I'll hold it up like this because my nails are, you know, a little wild. Somehow Clarins was able to do that, and I really like that you could see what you're using. So when shopping for a serum like this, I really just wanted a super hydrating serum, super delicate. I didn't want anything like snazzy or like crazy doing all these extra steps. I really did want a plumping and firming serum, something that was gonna make me boosted, like just like make me voluminous and just give my skin that extra spark that I needed in a daytime serum. That's what I bought the serum for, because as you guys know, my nighttime serums are all a chore. So a good daytime serum that's not loaded with like, I don't know, like a retinol or something, or a harsh AHA, that's, you know, that's what I'm looking for in a day serum now. Something that's really gonna just hydrate me, make me look youthful, fill in those dried out lines if I have any from the night before. And this is pricey. So this for an ounce is 90 bucks, and that is on the pricier side. Actually, no, I don't think so. Not for a serum. The Clarins #1 best-selling anti-aging serum, Double Serum Firming and Smoothing Concentrate, is a 2-in-1 formula packed with 21 plant extracts to effectively target wrinkles and boost radiance. We always want extracts because that's the most potent part of the ingredients. Extracts, you're always gonna be like straight from the source, and when you see extracts, it's like, yes, please give me all those extracts. Details: it's supposed to visibly reduce wrinkles, promote skin firmness, which I've actually noticed. I've noticed firmness all up in here. That's where I'll always notice my first signs of firmness, like right in here. It looks like I have like a little bit of filler, which I love. Hydrates and smooths, visibly tightens pores for all ages and ethnicities, all skin types, even the most sensitive, non-comedogenic. This award-winning formula with one bottle of double serum is sold every 5 seconds around the world. Oh wow, I've never seen that in a detail. Okay, girl. Formulated without parabens, sulfates, yada yada yada. Key ingredients: turmeric, which is pretty dope. Okay, teasel extract. Never seen that. Teasel delivers revitalizing and antioxidant benefits. Okay, great, another antioxidant, just with a different name, which we all know that's like a great marketing thing. Okay, organic green banana. Okay, plays a key role in promoting firm-looking skin. Myrothamenous, Wow, Myrothamenus visibly smooths tones and de-stresses. Red Genia promotes an even complexion. Organic goji berry revitalizes and tones. All right, I'm gonna stop reading this because this is getting pretty exotic for me. We love exotic on this channel. So what I found interesting, I love the way it applies because you have this great pump right here. You just pump it out. I'll put it here. I do one pump. That's what I do, guys. And you could see it looks a little oil. It's well, there is oil, but you could see when you pump it out, I don't know if you can make this on camera, but right here, make this out on camera, you could see it's clear on this side, and then you could see it's oil on this side. So that's why I think it's called the double serum, because you're getting basically two different serums in one bottle, which I find that pretty true to form here. And I just take it and I just apply it all over my skin. Right on contact, you can feel an immediate surge in hydration. And all I ever use is one pump because you can see immediate glow, immediate hydration. It feels greasy on contact. So it does feel oily right on contact, but if you give it a minute, it does start to dry down. So you just push it around your skin, try to be gentle with it. At first you're gonna be like, ugh, but then give it a second to just kind of calm down. And then once you apply it, it dries down and makes your skin super, super soft. And your skin no longer feels oily. Even when I bring it on my hands, like it feels oily, but then once it dries and sets, your skin just feels soft and no longer feels oily. So it's an interesting technique. It's an interesting feeling, but it's effective and it works. And then throughout the day, I just have this incredible glow that I love so much. I have been using this because I find it to be so hydrating and it makes my skin look so nice after using it. I'm not gonna lie. I do use it on its own. When I don't feel like, I don't feel like I need a moisturizer after, I'll use this on its own. However, I don't know that that's wise because moisturizers, like this is a serum, this is a concentrate, I even think they said. I think it's still always wise to use a moisturizer because that's, the job of a moisturizer is to kind of lock everything in, shield everything, protect your skin from everything and lock all those ingredients in. So I don't like to always just leave a serum out in the open, especially for a day serum. So I don't know that I recommend that, but I did want to note that for the video because I think it's important to say that, yeah, I could get away with just using this. That's how hydrating it is. And that's how voluminous it makes my skin look and feel. So I did just want to note that. However, it can be too hydrating. It can clog pores. And I know that because when I almost returned this. I was very close to returning it because when I first started using this, I did start getting acne on my jawline and it wasn't a good look. I started getting clogged pores. I was using the treatment lotion with it and then I was using the creme de la mer over it, and that was just way too hydrating. It wasn't a good look, and you can, I mean, that was my fault. That was like way overboard. That was like somebody for like, if you have extremely dry skin, that's a good routine for you because that's really gonna pack it on. Just be careful because of how oily this could be. Oily skin people, like dry skin people, I think you're gonna really enjoy this. You're gonna really enjoy that oily feeling. It does dry down soft though, so you're not gonna be a grease ball, just FYI. But dry skin people, I highly recommend this for you. Dehydrated skin people, I think you're gonna really like this. It really does do a good job at getting in there, gently hydrating, and then just giving your skin just like a nice hydrated feel even. Like I feel like if you have flaky skin from being dehydrated, it's gonna really gently go in there, kind of slough away that dry skin and then leave you with a beautiful soft look. So I can't recommend this enough for you. Actually, if you have dehydrated dry skin, honestly, go buy this right now. Now that I'm thinking out loud, that's what I love about these videos. I always think out loud and then I'm like, this is for you. This is for you. Please go buy this. Oily skin people, I'm sorry to report, I don't think this is your serum. Turn the dial to your customized dosage of your skin's needs and press the pump. Mix both phases in the palm of your hands. Apply morning. So here we go. There's a dial. Oh my goodness. So I'm a little late to this game. There's a dial that you can turn. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm just going to turn this dial. Oh, oh. And that gives me this. And then I'm going to turn the dial back. Oh, oh my God. And it still gives me more of that. Okay. Am I missing something? Hold on, guys. This is getting what? I don't notice a difference. I'm not noticing a difference. I'm still noticing the same thing. Am I just missing something here? No, I guess that's thicker in consistency versus more water. Great, now what am I gonna do with all this product? Oh my God! Have I been using this wrong the whole time? Now I'm just excessively applying this all over my face. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do really like this. I am keeping it and it's gonna stay in my routine. I still learn as I talk it out with you guys because these videos are not planned on what I'm gonna say. I really learn as I talk it out with you guys because I kind of view you guys as, well, I do view you guys as my friends. So I feel like I'm talking to my friends, and when I'm talking about products, I learn about products with you guys. But this has been a great tool and I'm really excited for my dehydrated or dry skin types to really get in there with this. If you're suffering from winter dryness, also buy this. I think you'll really enjoy this. If you're oily and you use this and you like it, comment down below. I'm curious to see what you think and why you like it. Because I'd be really surprised to see dry or oily skin types loving this product. Just FYI, because I do find it a bit pore clogging. The best way to use this is rinse, tone, apply this, and just a simple moisturizer, and or with your eye cream as well. Put an eye cream in there, but that's it. Don't try to add additional moisturizers or boosters in with the routine, because this certainly does enough. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe below. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I'm constantly reviewing luxury skincare, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.